pineapple, an appealing summer fruit that is low in calories and rich in fiber content. Today's topic is about pineapple, its health benefits and amazing facts about pineapple. Hi there everyone. Welcome back to Food and Nutrition. I hope you all are doing well. To know everything about pineapple, keep watching the video till the end. At the end we will discuss some of the interesting facts about pineapple. So, keep watching. And if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We always provide you with informative videos. Pineapple is characterized as a tropical fruit with spiky, tough skin and sweet taste inside. Their scaly bumps outside of pineapples are called eyes. They are grown in tropical and subtropical countries just like the Philippines, India, Indonesia, and China. Pineapples are rich in vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. They help to build a strong immune system, healthy bones and aid digestive problems. Pineapples are sweet in taste but low in calories. The pineapples are nutrient-dense in many nutrients. Pineapple contains the following nutrients, per 100 gram. Energy 50 kilocalorie, protein 0.54 gram, total lipids 0.12 gram. Carbohydrate 13.12 gram, dietary fiber 1.4 gram. Calcium 13 milligrams, iron 0.29 milligrams. Health benefits of eating pineapple. 1. May prevent hypertension. Pineapples are good for hypertensive patients, as they contain a good amount of potassium. Potassium is a strong natural vasodilator and promotes proper blood circulation to various parts of our body. 2. May be beneficial for asthma. Beta-carotene present in pineapple can be beneficial for lowering the risk of asthma. 3. May improve digestion. Pineapple aids digestion-related problems as the dietary fiber, vitamin C and bromelain present in them help improve digestive health. Pineapples can reduce gut inflammation and prevent diarrhea. 4. May improve eye health. Pineapples are great for healthy vision as they contains high amount of vitamin C, beta-carotene and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for healthy eyes and they prevent muscular degeneration. 5. May be beneficial for bones. Pineapples are rich in manganese which helps in strengthening bones. Consumption of pineapples as an everyday diet may help to achieve healthy and strong bones as manganese in pineapple when combined with zinc, copper and calcium is great for health. 6. May be beneficial for sinus problems. Pineapple is a great remedy for sinus and allergy swellings due to the high vitamin C and bromelain content. The enzyme bromelain helps to reduce mucus in the throat and nose. 7. They may be beneficial for skin. Pineapples are great for skin. They are full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Pineapples can improve skin health internally as well as externally. This is due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property of vitamin C. They reduce acne and help to achieve a healthy glowing skin. 8. They may be beneficial for hair. Pineapples can prevent hair loss and can help to get healthy, thicker and more shiny hair. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C present in pineapple help to fight against oxidative damage that causes unhealthy hair growth. 9. May improve fertility. Pineapples are rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, copper and other nutrients which can positively affect the fertility of both males and females. 10. Pineapple may prevent oxidative damage in various diseases. Pineapples are excellent sources of vitamin C which help to fight against oxidative damage to our body and give protection against various diseases. Pineapple is also good for treatment of cold and cough. Now, coming to some of the interesting facts about pineapples. 1. The scientific name of pineapple is Ananas commosis. 2. Pineapple belongs to the family Bromeliaceae. 3. Each pineapple plant can produce more than 200 flowers. These flowers have their own fruit which look like scales. These individual fruits join together to make one pineapple. 4. Pineapple is native to tropical and subtropical regions of America. 5. Pineapples can take up to 3 years to grow and mature into a plant. 6. Just one pineapple is produced by one plant during a single season. 7. Brazil is the leading global producer of pineapple. Number 8. Bromelain found in pineapple is a natural meat tenderizer. Number 9. In the wild, a pineapple plant can stay alive and continue to produce fruits for 50 years. Number 10. The skin of pineapple is used to make alcohol, animal food and vinegar. Number 11. The world's largest pineapple was recorded as 32 centimeters long and 66 centimeters circumference and weighs about 28 kilograms. Number 12. Pineapples are neither an apple nor a pine, they are actually a berry. So these were some facts about pineapples. Did you like it? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.